Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and quick appetizer recipe or breakfast recipe. I'm going to use bread, which is buttermilk bread. Then I'm going to use extra lean ham. I have a Zeera rice flour. If you have a leftover rice, how to utilize in delicious way, that is a good way to use it. I'm going to use carrots, nicely diced, cheddar jack cheese. To coat our roll-up, I'm going to use 2 eggs and 1/4 cup milk. I'm going to dice the extra lean ham. As for bread, I'm going to cut the side edges. Then I'm going to flatten it out. So let's get started. I'll get a mixing bowl and I'll bring egg and I'll break it. I'll bring milk. I'm going to use an egg beater and I'm going to beat it good. I'm not going to add any salt or pepper because the rice has everything in there, and then the ham itself is salty. Then we're going to use the cheddar jack cheese. So if you really want to add any chili pepper or anything, you can always add it. Our egg mixer is ready. I'm going to cut the side edges. Just like this, and I'm going to finish up all of these breads. All the bread pieces are cut and I'm going to flatten them out. Please make sure that your work surface is clean. I'll get a mixing bowl and I'm going to add some rice in there. We're going to add, which is lean ham, then cheddar jack cheese and carrots. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be our stuffing. So as I mentioned earlier, we don't need to add any salt, pepper or anything, but if you like, you always can add some. Get a rolling pin and I'm going to flatten these out. So it's nicely flattened. You can lift it up and we can flatten from this end as well. Once it's nicely flattened like this, I'm going to get the second one and I will show it to you. Lift it and flatten it from other side. And I'm going to finish all of these the same way. I'm almost done. One more to go. This is the last one. Flatten it out straight, then lift it up and from the sides. And now we're going to do the stuffing, and we're going to put our stuffing. When we're going to add the stuffing, we're going to make sure that it's nicely filled, like 1 tablespoon, and we're going to start rolling. Once we roll it in, we're going to press it firmly and keep rolling. The edges, just pinch it a little bit, not too much. Just like that. So see, our roll is ready. So I'm going to place it in the plate. Grab the second one and I will show you. It will be the same procedure. Start rolling. And once rolled out, just pinch it a little bit. Not too much. Just like this, and then we're going to place it on the plate. So I'll finish all of these. Our ham roll-ups are ready, egg wash is ready, and I get a fry pan. Start gas, and we're going to bring it on number 4, and we're going to add very little amount of olive oil, like 1 teaspoon, and we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated our pan. As the pan start to heat up, we're going to get our roll up, dip it into our egg wash, and we'll place it on top. Same procedure, put it inside, egg wash, roll it once, and we're going to place it right in there. And I'm going to bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. When you put it in, try to put this side down. So we're going to do the same thing with all of these. And the last one. And these we're going to cook until they turn nicely golden brown. So we're going to check it. The first one we put it in, it's like that. Yeah, very nice. So I'm going to turn each one of them. We're going to turn it just like that. So once it's nicely golden brown on each side, then we're going to take it out. We just have to make sure that it's nicely brown. So keep rotating. Look at how beautiful color. Now I'm going to bring my gas again to number 4. You always can adjust your temperature because each gas burners are different setting. So as you see, it's a nicely colored golden brown. We'll rotate it on other side. So we're going to keep turning until they're all nicely golden brown. So as you see, it's all of these are nicely brown. You just keep turning and they are cooked on all sides. Ham roll up is all ready and I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to dish out. What I've done on the sides, I put it like this and I just hold it for like a few seconds. You can bring the gas on a medium. So look at this. It will give you nice crisp on the side as well. If you see, nice crispy. And our quick and easy ham roll-ups are ready. They are very easy to make and they are really good for the breakfast. Kids would love it. Or you can make it anytime as an appetizer. You always can serve with the ketchup, hot sauce, chili, sriracha sauce, or even a ranch. And I'll cut it for you and I'll show it to you how it looks. Look at these, they're super yum. They're looking so good. Please try it and you're going to like it. And I hope you like this one. And if you like it, like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.